Happy Friday, everyone. These are my thoughts for this Friday, June 25th, 2021. I'm listening to the sentencing part of Derek Chauvin's trial. And of course, I have my own opinion. I'll give you the abbreviated version of how I truly feel. Bottom line is, you break the law, you pay the cost. The rules are in place for everybody, even though it doesn't always apply to everyone. There certainly is a disparaging in the sentencing of people in the United States. I'll give you an example. There was a man and his father arguing, a man and his uncle arguing in a field on the eastern shore of Maryland. The argument escalated and the nephew took a machete and decapitated his uncle. They only gave him 10 years. Then the other story also occurred on the eastern shore of Maryland, on a college campus. There are two colleges on the lower eastern shore of Maryland. One is a historically black college and the other is not. An incident occurred, and then the young lady said someone tried to take something from her without permission. And there was a 2-day court case. The jurors were not the defendant's peers. And the person of color that was the alternate was dismissed when it came time for jury deliberations. The defendant in the case was 19 years old. He received a life sentence plus 14 years. Same county, different parties. One person actually did something. The other person was accused of doing something, yet when the professionals testified, they said there was no sign of assault. How can I put this? Sexual assault. There was no sexual assault, but I really mean the R word, right? But, of course, the jury never took that into consideration. Yet that young man is still serving time. He was 19 at the time of his sentencing. Today, he is 28. So no, I don't have any sympathy for people that actually do a crime. I expect you to serve out your sentence, whatever that sentence is, and it should be comparable to the act that was committed, the crime that was committed. I think I did a good job without cursing, don't you? Those are my thoughts. Think about what I said. We have to vote the people into office that can make changes to the laws and how crimes, the punishment should fit the crime. Or else you're going to have me thinking like I already think. Imprisoning young black men or men of color is nothing but a way for the United States to have a free labor force, like they did before the Emancipation Proclamation and before the abolition of slavery. Yet when they did the amendment, they still have a way to make it legal. It's called prison. Have a good day. Bye-bye.